All these vinyl dog toys they got Jello, they got Jet Puff, Marshmallow, which if you need a pack of dice, or these would work great. They got Heinz tomato ketchup. They got a Kool-Aid Man, so if you ever need a Kool-Aid action figure, here you go, Kool-Aid Man. He's pretty cool. You can get you a Kool-Aid action figure. This is so far the other stuff I found. These little miniature games. You got Magic 8 Ball, Rock'em Sock'em Robots, Kerplunk, and they got this Sonic Squeezing. But wait, there's more. Because there's Reese's. Here's another Kool-Aid. Jet Puff, Twizzlers, and Hershey's. This is crazy. You think? Comment down below, I guess, which one's your favorite. I remember, guys, the mac and cheese is good all the time. There's a whole thing of cat. Oh, and now they got Pop-Tarts instead of Pop-Tarts. So much junk for your cat. Even a little fire hydrant. And a turtle. A weird monster creature. A cow. It's like that cow from that one book of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yeah. So, y'all collect any of these little mystery miniature things? Comment down below what you think about these. I will probably do a separate unboxing video for these. And of course there's this pretty cool Star Wars thing. It's one sheet full of nothing but X-Wing fighters stickers. Anyway, remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you, Jesus God, Jesus Lord, Jesus King, Jesus Lord, everything. And have a great, wonderful day. Later.